Hark! Venkman! Detested cloak bag of guts. Needs must. I hold it here. Saw it with mine eyes. Then it started like a guilty thing upon a fearful summons.
Be here, Ray, and pierces me with its gaze.
There is not uglier fiend of hell as he shall be. Is it not so?
Methinks it hears the words you speak, good Ray.
Hold! 'Twill not harm thee. Sir Peter, art thou well? Speak! What horrors hath yon delusion dealt thee?
I have had a most rare vision, where it hath oozed on me a foul slime.
Wondrous well. Can thou move?
In life I was Sir John Belushi called, and burned a nightly candle, keeping wassail, till the fateful hour upon the solemn feast, with eager feeding food did choke the feeder. Now doomed for a certain term to walk the night, sans legs, sans feet, sans taste, sans everything. And for the day confined to feast in fires, till the foul crimes done in my days of nature are burnt and purged away. What then? Shall there be no more cakes and ale? Must I be bound and laid in some dark room as these three rogues intend for me? But nay. An honest man am I, and hates the slime that sticks on filthy deeds. In life, I was the ghost. Oh, fuck.